Are you still clicking through 5 different ribbon tabs just to find the command you use every single day? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to pin any Excel command. Every time you need paste special, print preview, or format cells, you waste precious seconds hunting through the ribbon tabs to find it. Those extra clicks. To get started, look at the very top left corner of your Excel window. You will see a small toolbar with a few icons like Save and Undo. Click the tiny drop-down arrow at the right end of that toolbar. For even more commands, click More Commands at the bottom of that drop-down menu. This opens the full Excel options panel where every single command in Excel is listed. Look at that. Paste Special, Format Cells, and Print Preview are now sitting right at the top of Excel as single-click buttons, always visible no matter which ribbon tab you are. You just learned how to fully customize the Quick Access Toolbar to give yourself one-click access to any command in all of Excel.